Let's look at this question now. On the annual day festival of a school, a group of school students are dressed in specific manner. Some students are wearing only green colored dress and some students are wearing only red colored dress. Ram, a student in the group, says, if you do not include me, the number of student wearing green colored dress is 4 times the number of student wearing red colored dress. Shyam, another student in the group, says, if you do not include me, the number of student wearing green colored dress is 5 times the number of student wearing red colored dress. How many students are included in the group? Okay, so I do not know whether Ram belongs to green or red, right? So there are two cases. Case one is when Ram belongs to green colored group and Shyam colored belongs to red colored group, right? Also, they cannot be from the same group. Why? Because these two scenarios are different. If you do not include me, Ram says the number of student wearing green is 4 times the student wearing red. And if we do not include Shyam, then number of green is 5 times the number of red, which means they belong to different groups. So case two is when Ram belongs to red and Shyam belongs to green. Shyam belongs to green. Okay. So I'm assuming the number of student in green group is G, red group is R. Now, Ram is green, and if I subtract it, G minus 1, then number of student wearing green color dress is 4 times the number of student wearing R. So G would be equal to 4R plus 1. 4R plus 1. Also, from this, the Shyam says another student, if you do not include me, that is R minus 1. The number of student wearing green color dress is 5 times. Okay, so 5 times the number of wearing red colored. So green would be equal to 5 times R minus 1. Right. So green is 4R plus 1. If I replace green with 4R plus 1 here, I'm left with 5R minus 5. So this would be R is equal to 6. So I'm getting 6 student in red color dress. And if R is 6, G would be equal to 25. So total number of student would be how many student are included in the group? So it would be 31. Now let's take second case when Ram is from red, Shyam is from green. So if you do not include me, number of green would be equal to 4 times red, yani R minus 1. So it would be G is equal to 4R minus 4. Now Shyam says if you do not include me, that is G minus 1, then green would be 5 times the red, that is 5R. If green is equal to 5R plus 1. Let's put it here. So 5R plus 1 would be equal to 4R minus 4. So you get R is equal to minus 5. That is not possible. So this case is not valid, right? Only case 1 is valid, where the student belonging to red colored dress would be 6 and green colored dress wearing green colored dress would be 25. So the total number of students in this group would be 31, right? So correct answer to this question would be 31.